Given an array of lists which are sorted. All the lists are sorted, as we can see, but we need to find out whatever is the maximum absolute difference. So now there are, like, suppose if there are k elements, out of those k elements we need that x of I minus x of j, where I is not equal to j, this absolute value of this much should be maximum. How do I do that? The first thought only that comes to mind is, if it is sorted, we just use that property. We'll know that this element, the last element, will be the highest element in that array and this will be the lowest. So as we progress in the array, we can just take this as the reference and then compare it with the subsequent highs and the lows of the other ones. So maximum difference can be achieved only when low of one of the arrays is subtracted with the highs of the other, or else the low of the other array is subtracted with the high of the other one. So the difference between these two. So basically what I'm trying to say is, let us take the reference as L1, H1 as our lows and highs, and then as we go on to other elements, suppose when our I is equal to 1 till n minus 1, when I go at 1, I will check if the L2 minus of H1 absolute of this, comma absolute of L1 minus of H2, right? I'll just check in these both which is the maximum. That will be my answer, current answer, right? Then I will go to the next I. Again I will do the same thing. Again I will calculate answer. Again I'll go to the next I till n minus 1 and I will calculate the answer. And at last I will be returning the answer form. The same thing we can see over here in the solution also. I just took the first lists high and low as the reference, and then as I iterate through the array, this is the iterations through the array, I just take the maximum of these two values, comma answer, as my current answer, and then on the fly I need to have the lowest and the highest till now, lowest till now and the highest till now, which are again this reference values we can change it, because these values we don't need now. We just need the lowest and the highest till now counts. So that can be given by this. The lowest one will be the minimum of current minimum index and the previous lowest till that time. Highest till now, commas, the highest of that particular list. In these both, whichever is the maximum, I'll take that to be the highest. I'll just override these both values and then go for the another iteration. At last I will return answer.